part of lesson 5 is working with evaluation. And once again, evaluation is one of those things that kids struggle with because of that whole substitution process. Okay, so I'm going to slide this up just so that it's more at my level of writing. Remember, when you evaluate, you substitute in, and then you follow your orders of operation. Okay, so when I substitute in, I'm going to go ahead and put my numbers in parentheses that I'm substituting in, just to make it easier for me to look at. So here, when I substitute in, I have a negative, and then x is 10. And then I had a squared. Okay, so that part's done. Then I have a plus sign. And then I have a 6. And in parentheses, I'm going to put my z, which is -5. Okay, so I'm putting everything in parentheses so that it just makes it easier for me to understand and not forget that I'm multiplying and that this really isn't just 6 minus 5. Right here, it's 6 times -5. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and carry down the rest of it. So I got that. And then y was -2. Okay, so let's go through and work this one out. I'm going to shift this one up. Okay, so if I look at this, PEMDAS, do I have any parentheses? No. All of my parentheses in this problem are identifying integers, so that's done. Excuses, exponents, or roots. Do I have any? Yes, I do, right here. So we're going to simplify that. So 10 squared is 100. Now I can't forget about this negative sign that's on the outside. So now I have -100 there, okay? My dear, remember these go together, multiplying and dividing, left to right. Okay, so do I have any multiplying or dividing? I have multiplying here. I do have division, but here's the thing. In this division, I cannot do that part until I get a single answer for the whole top. So there is division, but in this case, I can't work that until I simplify everything that's on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do this part. 6 times 5 is 30. And then I had one negative, so it's -30. And then down here, I still have -2. Okay, so now we're going to do any adding or subtracting. I can't do this division right here until I get a single answer on top. So let's see, -100 plus -30, those are the same symbols. Find the sum, would be 130. Apply the same symbol, so negative. And then I still have -2 on the bottom. So now I get to do the division. -130 divided by 2. Sorry, -2. So if I think 130 divided by 2, 130 divided by 2 is going to give me 65 for my digit. And I'm going to count my negatives. There's 1, 2 negatives. It's a positive 65. Okay, so let's have you try one. Okay, so you've got okay, you can go ahead and pause your video and work your way through this one. You've got 10 times y squared divided by z. So remember, you have to simplify that entire top part before you can do the division by z. Okay, and that's it for lesson 5. I know the evaluations are ones that are probably most difficult, so make sure that as you're doing those that you're checking maybe with a partner, you're checking with me, because those are the ones that kids tend to struggle with the most. And it's usually because they don't copy down information right, or they forget to put those integers in parentheses and look at it as subtraction or adding instead of actually multiplying between those numbers. So good luck, and let me know if you need any help.